Kerjasama ekonomi multilateral merujuk pada kerjasama antar tiga negara atau lebih dalam rangka mencapai tujuan ekonomi bersama. Kerjasama ini biasanya dilakukan melalui organisasi internasional atau forum-forum tertentu yang memungkinkan negara-negara peserta untuk berkolaborasi dalam berbagai bidang ekonomi, seperti perdagangan, investasi, pembangunan, dan masalah ekonomi global lainnya. Ciri-ciri utama kerjasama ekonomi multilateral antara lain melibatkan banyak negara. Kedua, tujuan bersama. Ketiga, forum internasional. Keempat, aturan dan kebijakan bersama. Contoh kerjasama ekonomi multilateral adalah perjanjian-perjanjian dalam WTO yang mengatur perdagangan global, atau perjanjian iklim internasional seperti Protokol Tokyo yang Perjanjian Paris yang melibatkan kerjasama ekonomi dalam rangka mengurangi emisi karbon global. Secara keseluruhan, kerjasama ekonomi multilateral bertujuan untuk menciptakan stabilitas ekonomi global, meningkatkan kesejahteraan bersama, dan memfasilitasi pertumbuhan ekonomi di seluruh dunia.
I propose that we strengthen the trade between our countries by reducing import tariff and improving market access for our key products. We believe this cooperation will benefit all parties, particularly in accelerating post-pandemic economic recovery.
Certainly, we agree that opening up markets will boost economic growth. However, we do also need to ensure that our local products can compete fairly. We must find solutions to address any imbalance that might arise from more open trade policies.
I agree with you, but we also have to take into account bigger issues, such as climate change. Given the global challenge we face, I want to emphasize the importance of cooperation to achieve sustainable development goals, how we can reduce carbon emissions while strengthening our economy.
A very important question. We must also consider investing in environmentally friendly technologies. Our country are ready to collaborate on this, but we also need support in the form of funding and technology transfer to help developing countries.
I would like to add that in this collaboration, it is important for us to maintain global financial stability. We know that when there is economic instability in one country, the impact can spread to other countries. Therefore, strengthening international institutions such as the IMF and World Bank must also be part of your decision.
Good, we need to find a common ground that benefits everyone. Perhaps we can start by making an initial agreement on tariff reduction and introducing concrete measures to add the impacts of climate change.
And don't forget, we must also consider how the benefits of the cooperation will be distributed. Developing countries must receive sufficient support to compete in the global market.
That's right, we can achieve this through technical assistance schemes and greater funding for sustainable development. Apart from that, I will also like to add that we must prioritize the renewable energy sector.
If we all agree, let's sign this agreement and start working on the detail of its implementation. This is a very important first step.
With this agreement, we will ensure that multilateral economic cooperation not only benefits your economy but also contributes to global stability.
And then I'm confident that this first step will lead us to a more prosperous and sustainable future where each country can thrive together.